in person. We're set today in this matter for a preliminary hearing. Mr. Feliski, is this matter appearing as or proceeding as such?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did discuss this with Ms. Stevens, and at this time we are comfortable with waiving the preliminary hearing. Regrettably, Your Honor, I did send over a document, a waiver form for her to review and sign. I did review it with her over the phone. However, I have not received a signed copy back. I apologize, but I do believe she understands her rights here and what she would be giving up in waiving the hearing.
All right. So this is a waiver.
That is correct.
And did you say you had the form or no form?
I had reviewed it with her and sent over for her signature.
That's
however,
right. Yeah. Sorry, I was trying to read and do this and hear you at the same time, but I appreciate that. Thank you, Mr. Feliski. All right, Miss Stevens, I'm going to have to go over a couple things with you. Your attorney went over what's called a waiver of preliminary rights form. Do you understand you have the right to a preliminary hearing?
Yes.
And you understand that the state has the burden to prove a felony was probably committed and probably committed by you?
Yes.
You understand that if you waive your right to a preliminary hearing, that means you are agreeing that the state can at least meet that burden?
Yes.
You understand at a preliminary hearing, your attorney would be able to ask questions of the state's witnesses, call witnesses to testify for you. He would also be able to produce evidence on your behalf or possibly discover things about the case, which could include defenses. But you're giving up those rights today?
Amanda.
Yeah, no.
You understand at a preliminary hearing that if the state does not meet its burden, that I could amend the felonies to misdemeanors or dismiss them altogether, but you're giving up that right today?
She's not available right this moment. Does she have a phone number to call you back?
Is there a place where you can go where that's a little bit more private, because we're getting a lot of talking?
This is the best we're gonna get.
She's done talking. Yeah, this is the best I can get. I'm sorry.
Okay.